Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to build custom widgets in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. Now the first thing you need to do is to open Monday.com and navigate to the dashboard section. Monday.com dashboards are basically a collection of widgets that give you an overview of what's happening in your workspace. The reason we start here is to give us a clean slate for our custom widget creation. Once you're in your dashboard, you're going to look for the Add Widget button on the top right-hand corner. Click on this, and a list of pre-made widgets will appear. But we're here to create our own, so find and click on Create Custom Widget. This helps us because it allows us to design a widget that perfectly fits our needs. Now that we've done that, you'll find yourself on a new page with several options to customize your widget. You have fields for the widget title, description, and data source. Fill these out according to what you need your widget to do. For instance, if you're creating a widget to track team productivity, you might title it Team Productivity Tracker, describe it accordingly, and select a data source that provides the necessary information. This step is important as it lays the groundwork for your widget's functionality. Next up, you'll be asked to choose how you want to visualize your data. Monday.com offers various options like charts, tables, or timelines. Choose the one that best represents your data. Let me explain why this matters. The visualization of your data can make it easier for you and your team to understand the information your widget is conveying. Once you've chosen your visualization, you can now customize it further by adding or removing columns, changing colors, or setting specific conditions. Play around with these settings until you're satisfied with how your widget looks and functions. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each adjustment you make tailors the widget to better fit your specific needs and preferences. The final step is to click Done. This will add your newly created custom widget to your dashboard. Always remember to save your dashboard after adding new widgets to ensure they remain there for future use. And that, folks, is how you create a custom widget in Monday.com. With this guide, you're well equipped to create a widget that perfectly suits your needs. Remember, the goal here is to make your workflow more efficient and organized. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.